today we will be doing a paper airplane challenge. So
hey guys,
so we're stop. So we're each gonna be making paper airplanes, and then we're gonna throw it across the room, see how far ours will go.
Yeah.
And it's up to 3 wins. Whoever gets 3 wins first wins. And go.
Go.
The key to it is symmetry.
Yeah, it's symmetry. Symmetry. I don't know what symmetry is.
It's when both sides are
yeah.
exactly the same.
Mine is definitely not symmetry. Oh my gosh, it's definitely not. Just pull the thing right now. Put it there. Symmetry.
I like it. You're saying Sima, like cinnamon, but with an A at the end. Cinna tree. Symmetry. It's like saying Sima, like cinnamon and together, and then tree at the end.
I'm
It's
done.
like something. Okay, yeah, we're both ready. So here we go. Mine right here.
Mine.
Super fast this one.
Mine's super fast.
Now we are going to pause the video and we will show it from all angles, okay? Put yours down. It's a full non. Da, da, na, na. Na, 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 na. There we go. So now that you guys have seen it from all angles, I think mine's gonna win. Hey guys, so now we are doing the testing part.
Where we have to bounce the paper plates off.
No. Look, so we're gonna have like 3 challenges. So yeah, you are correct. The first one will be whoever's can go backwards the most. So we're gonna bounce it off the trampoline. Mine's gonna be horrible for this. But we're gonna bounce it off the trampoline, and we're gonna see which one will go the first. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mine didn't even bounce off.
It doesn't even bounce off. I won.
No, that doesn't count. Because mine needs to bounce off. Because yours landed
Okay.
right there.
Okay.
He just wants to dodge.
Here we go. So one more round. If you don't get this, then you lose.
No.
I win. Look at that.
Wait. How is it not?
Okay, here we go.
Now
So next,
we're going to be doing how far.
yeah. How far they can go. 3, 2, 1, go.
That doesn't count.
I win.
Mine didn't.
Look at the distance.
Oh my god.
His fails. Okay, here we go one more time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
Mine wins.
Mine landed into the water.
What the heck? Wait. Because landed like right there.
Yeah.
So it should be right around
Look
here.
at my airplane.
And
it
the
looks so
comparison-
bad, but it's actually really good.
His should be like from right here. And the other one's right here. So mine won.
Mine's actually good for the bounce off challenge. Should we do it again?
Okay, fine. We'll do one more round. Wait. Give me a second. I'm like 3, 2, 1.
Go.
No! I won again!
No, see?
Okay, so next one will be
Like,
what? No.
how high you can shoot.
No.
How high?
How long it can fly for. How long it can glide for. 3, 2, 1, go. Whichever one touches the ground last. Oh. No, I think you won that, but for this one, we're gonna do 3 rounds.
So I won the first round.
Okay, that's not.
Oh, look at yours. It has like a bounce off end now.
No, look at my chip.
And look at my.
3,
It's bad.
2, 1, go! Ow. No, mine hit the top, and yours even went down first.
No.
take that camera punch. That's what he gets for losing
I
there.
just lost your present.
No,
Yeah.
it's my present for my mommy.
No.
Yeah,
I have mom for my secret Santa.
yeah, and I have my dad. So.
Yeah.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. I won. I won. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. The video doesn't even end yet now.
What?
I guess all 5 minutes. Okay, I'll pause the video while I'm fixing mine. Here we go, guys. So now look at it. Look at it. It has like a ruffled wing. So now it's whichever one we're doing. Whichever one can go the farthest, but there will be an obstacle course. Give us like 10 seconds while we build it and pause. Here we go, guys. So this is the course. We're gonna have to try and fly over this, and if we go down too fast, we'll hit the ball, and then we have to go right through the chairs here and not hit this by going down. And if you fall down it's gonna take way longer for you to get, and then we have to hit the trampoline, but then we have to bounce back. So we're just gonna take.
Why can't we just fly over the trampoline?
We're each gonna take turns throwing it, and then whoever, no, then you still lose. Whoever hits it first wins. And go. His one passed it. Mine hit like this here, I think, and then fell.
Let's go.
Wait, I have to like. He threw. Sorry for finger blocking you, but he threw it up. 3. Oh, whoa. You already hit.
I did it.
Okay, he did. If I can make it, then we will be tied. Look, so you'll be the cameraman for this.
Okay. Let's just say something.
Oh, no.
Wait, okay.
Stop, you're ruining it. Stand right here and hold it exactly like this.
I'm taking.
No, stop, dude, you're ruining the video.
No.
And go.
No.
Oh, you get 1 point. You get 1 point. So that's 2-2 rounds. Stop. 2-2 rounds. Now it will be combat. So whichever we're gonna throw ours against each other. Sorry, where there's no light. So we are going to throw ours against each other, and then whichever one wins will be victorious. So I'm gonna pause the video while we prepare ours for battle. Here we go. No, you have to go over there. Here we go. So we're gonna be going for combat. Whichever one touches the ground last wins.
But what if we don't hit?
What?
What if we don't hit?
Then we're gonna continue trying until they do it. I'm like backing up the view here. No. Go all the way out. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, they hit. No, but yours hit me.
Yeah.
Dude, we're switching sides on. You go that side.
I got 1.
Oh, fine. It's up to 3 points. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, mine, we didn't touch, but mine still basically won because it touched the ground last. So that's 1.
I want to zoom in.
What are you doing?
Zoom in.
No, get away, dude. So it's 1-1. It's up to 3 points. 3, 2, 1, go. Tie.
Where's mine? Mine is the worst paper airplane ever.
So is it 1-1 or is it 2-2?
1-1.
1-1. Oh, okay. So 0 points for that. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you're such a guy first. Mine. So the point of this is to try and hit the other person's and get theirs down first. But that isn't really working. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! 3 points!
No, you got 2. Wait, let's try with the fan on.
Oh.
Because they don't push it that way.
One last challenge. Whichever one can withstand the fan. So we're going to have it. I'm going to one direction. Wait, just turn it on.
Pull up.
Alright, sure. Throw yours?
Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna. Okay, I'm gonna throw it.
Wait, give me a second, guys. Whoop. Go.
What is that?
Oh, his touched the fan. So if mine can touch the fan, then we're tied. You. Oh, okay, that's really hard. Not my touch!
Yeah.
Oh,
Yours was like that.
it just has to touch.
Yeah,
Go,
together.
go, no, oh. Oh, yours touched.
Oh my
Yours
god.
is stuck in the back.
Yours has to get.
Oh, I touched it.
Mine did get stuck.
That doesn't matter. Oh, so we're still tied.
No.
Oh, if I get it, then I'll be in the lead by 1 point. Can we do it like up to 5 points?
No.
Mine just trimmed it there.
That doesn't count.
Mine
boy.
just trimmed it. No, mine trimmed it.
That
I know.
doesn't count.
It just has to make noise.
No, that doesn't count.
I touched.
No, that does
I
not
touched.
count. That does not
No,
count.
I touched.
It does not count.
Okay, fine.
Comment down below if it doesn't count or it does. Okay?
Say hashtag no point if you think I don't get the point, the leader of the channel doesn't get the point. But comment down hashtag point if you think I should get the points. Because I should.
No, you shouldn't.
Yes, I should.
You're being creepy.
Go. Oh, yours missed. Oh! I only got 1 point there. Oh, it's up to, let's do up to 10.
Okay. And then that's the person who gets it.
Oh, come on!
Oh, yeah.
Yours missed. I saw that.
Oh, no.
Yours missed again. That counts as your next shot.
No, because I turned. That does not count.
Oh, mine missed our next shot too. So it counts. Go. Dude. Yours made the sound. We're tied.
Comment down below if that counts or no.
No, we're not gonna have. Just go. Oh, yours touched. Oh, bullseye. I'm going again. My touch. It's way harder and harder each time. Oh, I'm winning by 1 point again. Go. Hey,
Let's go at the same time.
okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I both missed.
Mine was like.
Mine went like this.
Mine is
so. It's like I don't want impact. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nobody again. Let's go jet plane. 3. Whoa, no. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, mine's stuck in there.
No, because it might get ruined.
I'm winning by 2 points. You have to be winning by 3 points. Okay? So if you don't get it this time, then I get it. 3, 2, 1, go! No, nobody touched it! What the heck?
Touched it.
Oh, so you're saying I win?
Yeah,
Victory! Oh, my airplanes crumble, but because you can see my. Oh, he's just. That's a sore loser right there. Bye, guys. Look at my in there. Oh, wait. Oh, you're got sucked in. Well, victory is mine.
No, where's your airplane?
I win.
I see the power of the ball.
Oh.
The ball's my airplane.
I win.
I got
Alright.
it.
I win.
I got it.
I'm trying to end the video.
No, the ball